He's a bloodthirsty individual. I didn't have a clue who he was at that time. So this was prior to 9/11. There was a university, I think it was in New York if I'm not mistaken, I think they sacked a lecturer because the Muslim students had mentioned, she warned them prior to the class that, you know, we're going to show pictures of the Prophet, or, you know, supposed pictures of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I think some of the students, they complained and they said it's disrespectful to us. She went ahead and done it, and I think they fired her.
Some ulama, you know, said that you never understand yourself until you understand you create and worship Allah.
Going back to Philadelphia for da'wah, when I was there I got married, and that's how I got connected to Philadelphia. So that's where my connection with Philadelphia started.
I never knew Shaykh Albani when I was back home.
Naam.
وأني قرضاوي.
Naam.
وأني قرضاوي, this is deviated Shaykh, because he was on the TV. I didn't know Shaykh Albani, Shaykh bin Baz. But أني قرضاوي, so عوام الناس, they know قرضاوي more than Shaykh Albani, Shaykh bin Baz.
You know, Malcolm X, for example, rahimahullah ta'ala, he left the nation. So there was a large group of people in Philadelphia that left the nation and they, you know, embraced Sunni Islam.
Wait, count them.
And I was like, I'm comfortable with it, you know, from a religious point of view. After researching the matter, after reading it.
So you can finish.
في حياته ومعاملاته وأحرى بأن يديم ذكر الله في كل أحواله. لذا جعلت هذا المتن مستوى